everyone, welcome to Production Music Lab. This is João, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to get the presets from my new Sub 37 and subsequent 37 sound pack into your VST and standalone editor, and from the editor how to get them into your hardware. So the first thing that you need to do is to register your hardware at the Moog website, and in your account area you are going to get a link to download the editor and the Windows driver, and you should install both of them. After that, make sure you have your hardware connected to your computer via USB. You can either load the editor in standalone mode, or you can load it inside your DAW, and that's the way that we are going to do it. So after loading your editor into your DAW, go to Setup and make sure you have your Sub 37 or subsequent 37 connections selected here. This will only show up here if you have a USB connection between your hardware and your computer. And once you do that, you are going to have sync between your hardware and our librarian. Everything that you touch here is going to be reflected on the hardware, and everything that you move on the hardware is going to also be reflected here. So go to Librarian. This is where we can find all of our presets. These are the factory presets, and these are the user presets. So we can go to the folder location, right-click on the user folder and choose Open Folder Location. Then you should copy the preset folder from the product folder, which has all the presets, into your user folder. Once you've done that, the preset folder will appear here, and inside of this folder you have all the presets that are created. So this means that these presets are now on your editor, but they are not on your hardware. So the next thing that you need to do is maybe find a blank preset or bank in your Moog folder, and then just drag the preset that you want into the place or the sound slot that you want in your hardware. Okay, this is transmitting directly or instantly once I drag it, because we have auto send enabled. If I turn off auto send, when we drag into an empty slot, you'll see that the text appears like in italic, and we have to press send in order for it to be transmitted into your hardware. Of course, you can grab more than one and just drag it here. Okay. I usually leave the auto send on because it's much easier. And you can audition the presets by double-clicking them. And once you decide which ones you want, or if you want all of them, for example, just select them all and drag them into your hardware. It's really easy, and it's very useful to have this editor. It makes very simple to rename, copy, paste, manage all the files that you have to use inside your hardware.